I rushed home to tell her about the incident. Karen, it's me. Open up. Karen! I was just in a really serious accident out there, hon. I care more about this TV than you do about me. Oh, God, and I'm bleeding. Do we have any cotton balls? Do we have cotton balls? I need to find something to wipe this up. I'm talking to you. I could have died out there just now, Karen. Do you even care? All you seem to care about is our fight this morning. What is wrong with you? Shit. Look, Karen, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings this morning. I just got mad and lost my temper. And I've been thinking about it all day, but believe it or not, it was my fault. Sometimes life can go too fast, like driving high speed on a freeway, or even like lightning on a cold autumn night. Therefore, it might not last long enough to say some long and difficult words, such as forgive me, or I love you.